Hello, this is Jessie from Multisoft Corporation, your MLM solution provider. In the MarketPowerPRO software, you have the ability to upload your product images. Now, in this case, you will need two different sizes for your product images. First, you need the thumbnail size. The thumbnail size with the dimensions of 200 pixels wide by 270 pixels tall. Then you're going to need the detail size, which is the enhanced image. And the dimensions for the detail size must be 1000 pixels wide by 1350 pixels tall. Now in this training call, I am going to provide the easiest way that you can resize your images using Adobe Fireworks. Now if you do not have Adobe Fireworks, you can definitely use Adobe Photoshop. That's if you have the program installed on your computer. If you do not, then you could go to Adobe's website and download Adobe Photoshop for 30 days for a free trial. And once the program is installed in your computer, what you can do is open Adobe Fireworks or Adobe Photoshop, and then you're going to search for the image. So for this image here that I'm going to use as an example, you can notice that the dimensions are 1024 pixels wide by 768 pixels tall. So I'm going to select this image, and then I'm going to show everyone the quickest and easy way to resize your product images, because in most cases you might have images that have different dimensions. So this will be the better way to resize them. So here you have your image, and what you're going to do is go here to modify, click on canvas, and then click on image size. Always double check that you have enabled constraint proportions, so that way when you change the width, the height will change automatically, so it will maintain the aspect ratio. Okay, so you click OK after that, and you notice that the size of the image has changed. Now what you're going to do is click on the image, and you're going to copy the image. Why are you going to do this? Simply because you want to make sure that the height is also changed as well. So here in Fireworks, you're going to create a new document. Under canvas color, you're going to select transparent, and then here on the height, you're going to change this to 270. This is strictly for the thumbnail size image, so the width will maintain the same, but this time you're going to change the height to 270. Okay, so now we have the new document of 200 pixels wide by 270 pixels tall. Now in the other tab here, where you have your image and where you resized it and copied it, now you're going to paste it here, and then you could go ahead and move the image around. And what I don't recommend is just grabbing the corners and try to readjust them. You can if you want, but I wouldn't go all the way to the top and all the way to the bottom. What I would simply do is just move it right here to the middle, because you notice here the background is transparent, so it's not going to capture a white background, especially when it comes to PNG files. Remember, PNG files are images that have a transparent background. If you have any images that are stored as a JPEG, then you could save it as a PNG and then remove the transparent background. So this is with 200 pixels wide by 270 pixels tall. Now let's say that you want to work on the detail size image of 1000 pixels wide by 1350 pixels tall. Same concept. Now when we go to image size, now we got to change this to 1000 for the width. We're going to copy our image here, and we're going to create a new document. Now the height is going to be 1350 because the dimensions for a detail size image will be 1000 by 1350. And of course the same thing here will be transparent under canvas color. And then what we're going to do here is change the zoom level to at least 50 so we can capture the entire frame. And then you could go ahead and make your adjustments here. Okay, this is how you're able to change the size of your images, especially for your products, in the MarketPowerPRO software. That way you're not having any issues when it comes to uploading your product images because you are not meeting the requirements, or you're not able to upload the images due to different dimensions for your product images. Please share this webinar training with your company administrators and support team in order to enhance the services provided to your customers and distributors. We appreciate your feedback and input. Please let us know if this helped and how we can improve supporting you. If you have any questions about this or any other trainings, would like to schedule one-on-one training with one of our CSRs, or would like to speak with a multi-self account executive, please call us at 239-945-6433 or submit a help desk ticket request at helpdesk.marketpowerpro.com.